piny mar Amerika koro notimo gi mana manywanda koro
ing'eno ndiek ye wang
Ara ye jwa.
ndiek ing'eno ndiek ni ipuonjo go some of my fellow students man wan go maranda so go I want you to maintain being a teacher very japuonji calls for a lot of things ing'eni adwa ni bed gi historia kirango jaduong' Jaramogi joma ne jaduong' wacho fuana bayo karachuonyo kato mos na unyasio emasani pakone ka Jaramogi chungo joge 1992 Jaramogi had the best members of parliament best mapok jodu bedo nyaka sani and participated be mokelo reforms menanagi only 30 MPs brought what you are seeing today. Raila Bekanyucha of NDP, his first MPs were the best. Kama kethro kudugo beti en demokrasi makoridwaroga. Nikech mode to kwade pesa Sirkal to uloso go piny to kuru chiedho go pap. Koro pa ingeno mabe yukanya mosogo MP piny diere kara iluchu. Ka ng'ato kaka MP to go piny nigi laro ticket in a public rally. So before you start attacking management mar party ranguntu unjo piny utero party no kanye wan sani wawacho wang'ni ka jakom duduogi dede to wadwan wang'ni ene mwamiye chance oyier gimodhi chungo mondo joluo nene what we want to blame him on his own mistakes to kwanya blame him mistake ma jopiny loso to jopiny dwa kelo nikech sani blame everybody ODM ang'o to uni achiel kuom jok ma goga kuku sani ang'engera nyawang'aya sani go kabisa I'm sure days to our election you are in ng'ate so waberu joma ng'eyo ni kopo ni gimoro timore wayieri to ki perform let's deal with you as an individual wabe generalize electioneering manokedi malo that is one thing that I would want you to shape up and to me I would say one gagi party ni rules mage onyalo tero ji mondo go kura mondo yier ng'ato onyalo yiero ng'ato bende mondo chung mano gimo yien party so ka mistake nitie to wan management menyalo losie mago kibi walgo kaendi ibiro ira ti waloso mos number two gimado ni wachi ma iketo mai waso wacho kano kadwa donje mi wacho kendo ma very sensitive and the question of ministries mimiowa ing'eyo hola nitie kata sani kadala but jowa kirango mine wa madala kucha they are really trying gin go merry go round gin gango gitemo the only thing mwongo go mapoko identify mamiyo ji pesa and one cash crop mathurwa nene niang to niang no kethore gimone go wakwa MPs wa onego wa develop ne niang nyalo konyo machal nade kopo ne niang nyalo los Brazil to kochope Kenya ti use 300 shillings at 2 kg to miloso mumias be the same ngeche ni kara we need to improve on the machines mamiwa end product mondo mawagi we be expensive koro wa use kita cheaper we will still be somewhere. About food production, jo masani meswa mamiyo jothurwa uso lo abalo mondi en ga jalego kidhi gwenge sani gin ga junk of lands tingen kaka sani siaya joluo sani ma brok lo to brok lo nango inyano an lo monego nyiew at about an acre 200,000 brokers ng'enyie kama an acre goes at $500,000 tingen madwa nyiewe en ng'ama nyodo contract county so gima duong' monego warangu kaka joluo kwadwa konyo oganda warangu to management wa mar county nyaka ne wabed gi county for these terms makoro wadhi higni 15 leaders mage mwan go assembly and what are they discussing have they matured to the occasion that is our challenge okogoyogi have they matured to the occasion they get discuss progression politics mathurwa nikech gine makoro wachiegni kodgi kidhi Siaya be jo Siaya discuss progression machine go jo Siaya kidhi Kisumu Are they adopting anything in line with Manyalo Gerawa? Mine is a challenge to all of us. The other thing, Maneno Miketo, my opinion about Nyakocha. Anna would want ni Nyakocha inform Gachagua maber. Ni ditili maber, lakini gimaraji ni iwe wakuwa exposed kwa Kayuki Kuu. Ingena from last week nitanio is station more. Mancha advice to the government. This issue of commenting about Gachagua should stop because we should now think Gachagua Timtimbene Kawa Kukucho mess. We have a whole security system. Manyalo manage Gikmo Wachogo. Kagin Gikma Ketho Kenya will deal with it at that level. Bene Nukorojo Kenya Mokoso Chakoneno. Ni indeed your media code is not very good. Ikechingeyo, you can't be at war all the time. That is what Gachagua is missing. Okinya bedi doing such a duto. Sirkal Sogolo Nyaka Matiba, Money Transport Minister. Sirkal Sogolo Nyaka Kibaki, my dad order. Both the Bobe, the Botio, Bochakudu be the president. Ogolo Matiba, Botel Nyakijela, Matibu do. So Gik Matiba and Gachagua are not new. In fact, come go lemni Kenya Kain, you know, vice deputy president, Kata vice president. Come no go lemni. The deputy governors are not doing very well. So Pokwa understand why adopt Gikmo Pokwa mature on. Ngama on office, Ngama ngatu ti boy. We have not matured. Level maru mo operate in the country. So to me, what Gachagua I don't want to build on. But I'm happy. Nikijana maro penje kani. Ine Mikelo ngani. Kendo kuri wacho nonwa ngani. You see, that's a very good result. To me, I don't want us to get annoyed with Gachagua. We are learning something. Magima president Adotimo. And then President Mapping. After this, he should go and address Kenyans. Manwa Kuchane. Be back. Abenchan Gutung ni Penya, lakini korate malose. Can it investment munya lokelo, manya logero, our economy? Come back home and repair. Politics. So, kwa be reactive with Gachagua. I would want to advise the government. After this, Magagen Jokenya, Mudavadi can go and meet them. Jakomrela can go and meet them. Ruto himself can go and meet them. Let him go and talk to them. Kaini manyucho wene ene modi ketho. Ene mobro akanyoka kureni relevant. So to me, I believe my fellows in the intelligence are watching it. Kenyans are really responsive well in Gachagua's tour.
Kama na inya hakina mundi nene giwang mana.
Ngeni pokadigera til. Tane noga.
Nego gwili.
Noga. Ondi. Odiekera til.